Hello everyone. Today we're making chocolate covered peanut butter balls. So what you'll need is a stick of butter softened and a cup of peanut butter, smooth, creamy peanut butter. And then you want to start mixing that so it's nice and smooth. Okay, we're going to gradually beat in the sugar. Start on low so you don't get powdered sugar all over everything. Then add the rest. And when it starts to combine and really get thick, we'll add the milk. Okay. Now I'm using half and half, or you can use milk. Add 1 tablespoon at a time. Second tablespoon. And the last tablespoon. You want to scrape down the side of the bowl, get everything incorporated. It smells good. This is actually a recipe for peanut butter frosting. When I made something with the peanut butter frosting, there's extra. So I was told that you can take it and put it in little balls and freeze it and then dip it in chocolate instead of throwing out the extra peanut butter. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just making it from the peanut butter frosting. You want to beat it for another 2 minutes. Okay, we're ready to form the balls from the peanut butter. You can use ice cream scoop to get the peanut butter balls formed. Let me move that over so you can see what I'm doing. And just put them down on a cookie sheet. And you can go back then and roll them to make a perfect ball. And once they're rolled, we'll put them in the freezer until they're firm. Okay, we had it all scooped out. Now we can roll them into a perfect ball, a round ball. All finished, and now we can put them in the freezer. We'll put them in as long as it takes to really harden them up, and then we can dip them in the chocolate. Okay, see you later. Now that the peanut butter balls are hard enough, I'm going to make up the chocolate dipping sauce. So I'm just putting one bag of milk chocolate chips, and then about 1 tablespoon of oil. And I'm going to stick that in the microwave till it's melted. Then I can bring out the peanut butter balls for dipping. I'm going to set a pot of boiling water, hot water, and set my milk chocolate over top to keep it melted pretty good. Now to get the peanut butter balls. Now we're going to start dipping the peanut butter balls into the chocolate. Just drop them in. Roll them around and just shake any excess chocolate off. And then put them on your paper. Okay, we're going to let these set up, let the chocolate harden. And then once that's done, we're going to put these in a little candy paper cups. Chocolate covered peanut butter balls are ready for a sampling. They look like they turned out pretty good. They are really good. Really nice and creamy inside. And remember, this is the frosting, peanut butter frosting. So I hope to see you in my next video. And if you like this video, leave a comment. I would appreciate it very much. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Hello everyone. Today we're going to make chocolate walnut fudge in the crock pot. So we're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 cups of chocolate chips, either milk or semi-sweet, can of condensed milk, which is 14 ounces, your marshmallow cream, which is 7 ounces right here, walnuts, 2 cups to 2.5 cups of walnut. And if you don't like walnuts, you don't have to put them in. And of course, your vanilla. So let's get started. You're going to want to spray your crock pot. Now add your butter. Your chocolate chips. Condensed milk. Scrape every little bit out. Okay. And your marshmallow cream. Okay. Now you want to stir that together. Get all mixed up. This is so easy. Just put it in your crock pot on low and Cook it for about an hour. So easy. And then after the first 30 minutes, you want to come in and stir it. Give it another good stir. Put the lid on and then set it to low. See you in 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes and I'm going to stir it. It's almost there. We won't even have to go a full hour. Let's just get it all mixed and combined. This really smells good. That chocolate. Okay, I'm just going to scrape the sides down. And it won't be too much longer because it's mostly all melted. Okay, put the lid back on. Like I said, check in about 15 minutes and then stir it and see how it is. It should be done. Okay, it's been 15 extra minutes there. Give it a stir. Okay, now we're going to add the walnuts. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that all up, get the walnuts incorporated. It's a 2-quart dish. And what you want to do is spray it. Then lay your parchment paper down. And you spray it because you want it to adhere to the dish, so the parchment paper doesn't rise up. Spray the parchment paper. And then we're going to add the fudge to the dish. Now your pot might be really hot to handle, so be careful. Rest it on there for a little bit. Awful heavy. Scoop your fudge into the bowl, your dish. Okay, just smooth it out. And then you're going to let this cool for as long as it takes to firm up. At least 4 to 5 hours. Or until it's set. Okay, I removed it from the refrigerator after being in 5 hours. And now I'm going to cut it up. You can cut it up to whatever size pieces you want. fudge sit out for about half an hour before I decided to cut it. Okay. This is the chocolate walnut fudge. It turned out really good. Like I said, if you don't want to put walnuts in, you don't have to. Nice and creamy. Really good. And easy to make. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about it. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.